Oh my god, it's confirmed.
What's up guys, I welcome you once again to Artist Cafe. Alright, so in this episode I'm going to take you through, I'm going to show you real screenshots on how I made $22.83 on one of my videos, which fetched me only 1.9k streams. Yes, not up to 2k, but I've made $22.83. Stick and stay as I take you through. Alright, so we inside the YouTube studio. Let's click on the menu, click on videos. Alright, so let's take a flashback. The last time I gave a detailed explanation on what RPM is, what contributes to your high earnings. Yes, RPM means revenue per million. Yes, so in every 1,000 streams, how much do you make, or how much you make is what we call RPM. Alright, before I show you the real deal, let me take you to this video. Yes, this very video. This video had 3,580 streams. 3,580 streams. Let's check its RPM and how much I made on this very video. Okay, so the estimated RPM, or the RPM for this very video in the last 28 days is $10.10. $10.20, sorry, it's $10.20. And in the last 7 days, the RPM was $5. So like I said earlier on, the RPM is not something static or something fixed. It changes by the interaction you have on the video, how many people watching the video at a very time. These are some of the things which contribute to your RPM going higher. So lifetime RPM for this video is 0.86 cents. Yes, let's go check how much I made. Remember, this video had 3.5k plus streams. Let's check how much I made. Okay, so the lifetime revenue for this very video is $3.07. $3.07. And the video had 3,500 plus streams. Now let's move to the real gig. The other video which fetched made $22.83, $22.83. Now this is the real video. The video had 1,966 views. Okay, and let's go check the RPM. The RPM for this video in the last 28 days is $14.71. Let's check the last 7 days. In the last 7 days, the RPM is $22.51. Now let's go check how much I've made on this video. Okay, now let's select lifetime. So now this video fetched me $22.83, $22.83. You can see it right here. Now the question is, comparing the first video to this video, the first one had 3,000 plus streams and this one had 1,900 plus streams. So why is this having a higher earning than the first one, which had the more views? So I'll be bringing to you more videos. Okay guys, so thank you so much for being here. I believe you love this video. Kindly like, comment, share to friends, subscribe, and let's make friends. God bless you for being here.